Hello, hello, and welcome to Cork's Dollar Food Addiction, where we find foods that cost $1 or less and check them out. 39 cents, I think. We have, what, more ramen? Yeah, there's a lot out there. We have roast chicken, and we have chicken. And every time you see these, you think, what is the difference? Let's find out. Calories. Oh, chicken flavor has 10 more calories. 290 to 280 for the roast chicken. Yeah. Sodium, oh my dear. 1270 milligrams. 1180 for this. Carb 38, carb 39. The cooking directions are the same. Fold lid back halfway, fill the inside with boiling water, close for 3 minutes, and enjoy. Now, what can we do with this? Here's the roast chicken. Is that chicken? Yes, I think it is. Here's just the plain chicken. We have peas. We have corn. We have corn in both. Well, looks like we actually have roast chicken in here. And carrots and corn. We have any peas? Little green flakes of something. Well, let's pour the roast chicken, if we can. That's a lot. Nope, no peas. But we can jazz it up a little bit with some carrots, onion, cilantro. Let's try it plain first. See if we can tell the difference. Well, let's try the broth. Here's roast chicken. Well, the roast chicken has a deeper color. Yeah, it does taste differently. The roast chicken has more body to it. If you're going to do that, why do you even make chicken? Roast chicken won the broth. I imagine the noodles are going to taste the same. Tastes like ramen noodles. Let's see if those peas make any difference. Yeah, look. The chicken noodles are a little lighter than the roast chicken noodles due to the more flavorful broth. Well, I guess they fooled me, because I thought these things are going to taste the same. Why do they even bother? So let's try a little carrots, a little onion, a little cilantro. I don't know that you'd add any tomato Good. Yep. I would definitely add this stuff. Definitely. I guess you're paying for that little foam cup. Because this serves one, and those packages serve two, don't they? Not that anybody shares, unless you're 6 years old. What is the wine pairing with our ramen today? Pinot Grigio. Drink to your health, general well-being. So, till next time, with or without ramen, be seeing you.